In this video, you will learn how to borrow money from Huntington Bank. First, decide. Decide on the type of loan you need. Choose between options like standby cash line of credit, personal loans, or overdraft protection based on your financial needs. Check your eligibility. Ensure you meet Huntington's requirements, such as having a checkings account and a minimum monthly deposit for standby cash, or even a good credit for personal loans. Log in. Log into your Huntington online account or even its mobile app. Access. Access your account securely to begin the loan application or even enrollment process. Navigate. Navigate to the credit or loan section. Find the section where you can apply for loans or even enroll in standby cash. Complete the application or enrollment. Fill out the required information and submit your loan request or standby cash enrollment. Wait for approval to access your funds. Once you're approved, you can access your borrowed funds directly into your account via the terms provided. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.